everybody, welcome to day 18, Vlogmas day 18. Oh, it's nearly over. My god, it's happening so quick. Countdown is happening too quick. Too quick. So, time for coffee. I'm in my Disney pajamas right now. It's fun. So how is everybody today? I hope everybody is all well and beautiful. I'm going to try one of these limited edition Nespressos today. Apparently there is an apple strudel one that one of my friends recommended to try. So I'm going to get him out, I think. Let's get him out. Oh, popped out. Let's go and heat up my oojit and fill up my thingamajig. Can't fill it up too much because anything that's not milk based somehow froths like crazy in this. So that's always fun. Just put you on there. Put you, oh, there we go. In that little beauty goes. Oh. Work your magic. So I just did something. So I've just topped it up, some frothy milk, and notice it looks a little bit orange. I won't say anything, but there's a bit of pumpkin spice latte in this, Starbucks style. It's breakfast time. It's time for some blueberry wheats. Yeah, it's Christmas time. I've got my Mickey bowl and it's going in there. Band-aid with breakfast. I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop. Alrighty, good afternoon. It's now the afternoon now. Very sorry, but you know. I got dressed and I put some makeup on. That's a change for once. Number 18. Number 18, where should we go? Oh, there's not many blues on here, so we're gonna go just here. Or no. Yes, I'll keep it there. Right. I am on a rush at the moment because I'm gonna go and watch Pantomime. Hopefully Dave's gonna finish work and join us. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get my groove on. Get my boos and my hisses, chanting and all that jazz. Oh, and also, as well, it is literally, when this comes out, this is gonna be on Monday when this comes out. So you've got pretty much a day, just one more day, like 24 hours, to enter our competition that we have, where you can win this mug set and 5 Christmas Zum-Zums. If you want to enter, you need to watch Vlogmas Day 5, which we'll link down below, and follow the directions for it. So yeah, good luck, because we'll be drawing out the name on Tuesday at 6 o'clock English time. Yeah.
Time for Panto.
Made it.
I made it. So we're gonna go watch the pantomime now. Fun times. Safety curtains down. And that can only mean one thing, ladies and gents, if you're in Panto. Interval time, which means ice cream time. And I got Steffi.
Got mint chocolate chip.
You got mint chocolate chip. Didn't like it? Is it like proper mint chocolate chip, or is it?
Like old school.
Old school, good.
Yeah.
Is it green then?
The artificial sort of mint flavour.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm just pouring in gold vanilla, so. You enjoying it so far?
It's better than last year actually.
A lot of puns?
Well, the puns are awful in this.
That's what we like. We like bad puns.
Anyone who laughs to a bad pun, oh, I tell you.
I like them. They're funny.
With 3 Olafs that appeared.
3 Olafs appeared in it,
3 Olafs appeared on stage.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was only one, like Mickey Mouse was only one, but no, there's 3.
And a super sweet potato.
Super sweet potato.
Yeah.
And as if by a split second, it's all done.
All finished.
And Dave was shaking his tail feather.
And so were you.
And you were shaking it more.
Shake it.
Must admit, that was better. That was a really good one. That was a really good one. The 5 toilet rolls. And everyone getting soaked. That was so funny. At least you didn't get soaked. We didn't get soaked.
It was good that we didn't get soaked.
No. Just want to show you how amazing this theatre is. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Then you have a live orchestra just there. So cute.
You're not sure if you can hear me, but we're at the market at the bandstand. And Steffi's got a little drink. What? It's called the Christmas Mead.
A mulled Christmas mead.
Tastes nice.
It's like cider, but it's very honey. It tastes of honey.
Very sweet.
Yes.
Very nice.
Much nicer than mulled wine or mulled cider.
Very true.
I'd say that.
Very true.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Dave's getting some chips. I didn't know this place did mojitos. Dave, they do mojitos and Sex on the Beach. Mimosas. Yippee chips. I'm confused. Isn't it a prison truck? Why is it open?
The walkers have been ridden.
Walkers.
Hello, hello rabbits. Hello, hello, hello. Lick, 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 lick. Hello, hello, hello. Num 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 num. Ooh, num num num.
So we are back from the pantomime and it was absolutely awesome, like we said before when we were in the theatre. We're only just kind of like a stop off here because we're going to go out for dinner with like Steph's parents, my parents are all going to go out to in a bit. But we're going to do the advent calendars, but we'll do it now. Kind of show you what the adventures of the Zum Zum calendar is going to happen. What more disasters are going to happen our way. Not disasters, more hiccups. Oh, Steph's beating me to the punch. She's already done this. I didn't know, because tomorrow's the 19th. Which, if you didn't know, guys, is the last day to enter. No, it's 20th is the last day when we'll announce the winner. So you have one more day on the 19th to enter for the giveaway, which we'll leave links in the description for you guys. Time for advent calendar. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. Are you ready, Steph?
Should I do it upside down?
Do it upside down. Try and find number 18. Oh, you found that as well, too easy.
Oh God, you know what? I can never find it when it's the right way up.
No.
Shall I read this? Wrong way around. So, there is no more sincere love than the love of food.
But
It's a reindeer again.
it's a reindeer.
Yeah.
Time to do my one. That one.
Sorry. Carried away. Just wanted
away.
to pop it.
It's another ball.
It's the red ball.
It's the red ball. Liz, I seem to be getting all your red balls. Number 7.
No, it's 18.
Number 7.
It's number 18.
Number 7.
Number 18.
Oh, it's number 7.
It's number 7. Oh. It's beautiful skin, completely quenched body milk. Body milk.
I thought you were going to say something else then.
Quenched body
Buttocks, I thought you were going to say. For some reason.
milk. You put it on your bum if you want. Like, body milk.
Body milk.
Who comes up with that name?
Here we are. Teeny, tiny, tiny, tiny. Where is it? Oh my god! Logan's like, wow. Uh oh, we've got a problem here, Logan. Logan's like, I am in charge here.
I'm in charge. No
I'm
one
in
else.
charge here.
Do you want to open the door? No? I'm heading for the hills.
There's a problem here. Come
Okay.
out. I mean, this is not even. It's not even standing. Can I help? No, 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 no. Okay, time to go this way.
Go that way.
Go that way. Yes. We've had a collapse. Okay. We got a Marie.
Okay. Oh, another Marie. Oh no, wait, no. It's because we've been watching Double Dose.
Yeah.
And Liz.
We got a.
She's watched The Ring.
This camera does not want to focus on there, but Marie is on the top. There, you can use your imagination.
Marie's probably watched The Ring. That's what's happened.
Yeah.
So you can't really see her.
Can't see her at all.
But you see this.
Time to light the candle. Candle, candle, candle. Ooh. We are back from our evening meal with the family. All had a really good time.
And we saw some fireworks.
We did see
that
some
we didn't
fireworks.
realise. It was basically fireworks to end the Christmas festivities that were happening by the council.
Yeah, pretty much.
So it's like, yay, Merry Christmas, that's all we're gonna do now. Enjoy the rest of your week.
See you later.
Let's decorate a cake.
So we made this Christmas cake like October.
Yeah,
It's
when
like
we came back.
when we came-
Actually, the week when we came back
Yeah,
from Florida.
so the week we came back from Florida, we made a Christmas cake, and every year we always make Steffi's parents a Christmas cake. So now we're going to decorate this cake with stuff. We're going to probably make this up as we go along. Normally you use apricot jam, but we haven't got any apricot jam, so marmalade is the best remnants to stick the marzipan and the icing on. We've got some shapes, we've got some colours. We're going to make something pretty. Let's do this.
the pretty red bow. There we go. There's our cake. We put little snowflakes in there as well. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Pretty good.
Look at that beauty.
Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Oh, you can smell the sugar.
Oh my,
Oh.
it's powerful, isn't it?
Yes. Right guys, we're going to call it a night. I hope you enjoyed this video because I tell you what, we've had a really fun day.
Oh yeah, we have.
We've had an amazing day.
Yes.
Just to remember guys, the giveaway as well. Time is running out. If you've not already, check out Vlogmas Day 5. If you have not entered our competition, and all the rules and all that are all on that. The winner will be drawn on Tuesday at 6 PM English time. So when this actually comes out, it'll be tomorrow. We will contact the winner just after 6 o'clock.
Yes.
And then, of course, we'll be recording it on our Vlogmas, which will appear on the Wednesday.
Yes, it will indeed.
Yes.
So guys, thanks very much for watching today. We're going to go to bed, we're tired. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Yeah.
Good night.
Ta-ra for now.